are almost halfway now, and we will be soon stopping at the dhaba for our dinner. Now we have stopped for our dinner, and this is Amrit Sukhdep. This is a very famous place. They are especially famous for parantha. This is aloo parantha. It looks very yummy. We have ordered one each for everyone to taste. And these are our Lyamtra teams. We are digging in. So everyone, enjoy the food.
Yes, it is the best parantha from dinner.
Yes. Everyone dig in, dig in. Yes. Now we are done with our dinner and we are outside now. It's taking a rest for a little while. And these are the cars parked in the parking lot. And this is our car. We brought 3 cars. So each cars we are coming in 5% each. That's the highway. That is a camel. I don't know, it's already late, but I think it is used for camel ride. The person who wants to ride camel, I think they take it. We are resting here in Sati Dhaba. We are almost reaching Shimla now. This is Seti Dhaba. Seti Dhaba, yes. It's a good place to chill out. Carpet grass are good. This is in the middle of the highway. We stop here for tea. You're tired?
No, I'm sleepy.
Sleepy? We'll take some tea and we'll head out. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, this is the best tea I have already tasted. And now, 3 o'clock. It must be sweet for you. Very sweet. They put a lot of sugar there. Winner, get this.
Khá tất cả được chưa? Now our tea is over, so we will continue our journey. Those views are very beautiful. It's more or less like Kohima, Shimla, the mountains, and everything. It's beautiful. It's nice. We are almost reaching now. That is the way to our resorts. Hello. look at the views. Come on, it's so beautiful, man. So chill. This is the way we're walking. No one would be scared of Corona here. We have finally reached our place. Yes, we are all tired. We started from 6 p.m. at night and we are here. Hey boy. You eating your food, boy? Yes. So cute. Seems tired. They are all energetic, seeing the beautiful views of Shimla. We are here. We are checking in our rooms now, and that is the receptions. This is the bed. That is the washroom. And this is another room. We have 2 more rooms downstairs. So the rooms are in good conditions. Yes. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my god. This is Shimla, the view of Shimla. So beautiful. This is the view from our room's corridor.
शिमला का गर्म पानी थोड़ा खिला दो। ऋषभ कैसा है व्यू? बस ये है कि थोड़ा हालत खराब हो गई आते हैं।
Yo.
What do you mean? Yani he's talking about me and you. He's commenting about you and me.
First time washing our hair from Shimla water.
Let's go down.
Yo, guys, go ahead, please. We're going down there for a bonfire tonight.
Hey! We are going for a bonfire.
Yo,
The fire will burn us.
We'll burn together with the fire.
It's a ceremony, you know. When,
yes.
when a group of tourists get together and at night when they're
Now we will be starting the bonfire and we will be making chicken barbecue, and we are now discussing for tomorrow trips. We'll be going for trekking down the hills, and yes, our guitar guy is on the way. Yes, that is our guitar guy. We'll be singing some songs and it'll be a fun night, yeah?
इस दिल को ये समझा लिया हमने, इसमें तेरा घाटा तेरा कुछ नहीं जाता, ज्यादा प्यार हो जाता तो मैं सह नहीं पाता, इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता, ज्यादा प्यार हो जाता तो मैं सह नहीं पाता।
So hi Karan,
Hi.
please say something about Lyamtra.
Okay. So, Liamtra was founded in 2017,
Yes.
and we had a very ambitious mission to empower humanity by providing them technology access and giving them a way of to make a living for themselves.
Yeah.
In Liamtra, we are connecting mankind, and we are making them. There is a process of sustainable living. Today we are here in Shimla. This is rural Shimla actually.
Yes.
The name of the village is Dumi.
Yeah.
We are here at Meadows by Himalayas, and we'll be starting trekking. We'll be going downhill.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we will be heading out now for the trekking, and the place that you see behind me is the place where we stayed as the resort.
Hi guys! I'm moving again.
Come on!
Come on, come on!
Actually, we planned to go and see the beautiful city of Shimla, but we ended up with the decision to go for trekking because it's very good to go and experience the treasures of the woods. It gets more fresh, and we didn't get such kind of experience in the metropolitan city, so we are going to go and have some fun trekking. Really look at this views. We will be going somewhere around there. So we are all heading out now. Now, trekking has begun. Hey,
Please. I said please.
this is the beginning of the trekking. Be careful, guys. Be careful. We will be going down there. Careful, guys. Don't fall. Oh my God. So steep. So this is another road, but we are taking the road shortcut that's not taken. How excited are you?
Out of 10, I should say 7. 7.5.
Are you getting tired yet or not?
No! Not yet. We are enjoying, having fun.
Having fun, yeah?
Yes.
Alright.
We found a home.
Oi.
My brother from different auntie,
Hey, Gucci.
ऋषभ आराम से रुको वहाँ पे
Aram se. These pine trees, if you are not careful, it gets very slippery, right? So we got to be very careful. Yes. You having fun?
Yeah, so much.
All right. People are taking race here. Hi, काम कर रहा है आंटी? Having fun so far?
Huh?
Having fun so far?
Yeah, amazing, amazing trek. I think this is the first time I'm coming to this kind of trek.
Yeah.
Yo Gucci. Berang lang eh. Bera lang re. Sudah doh kita bera lang re.
Konak sudah. Say cheese.
Hi, bunny. Yari.
Yariko.
Thank you.
We're going down very slow because it is very steep. Check out it.
Hello.
Hi.
Another round. Almost reaching. There is the sun scorching down the hill. It is the river we are going down. Oh, it's a stream. Whoa, this is stone house. There's a stone roof.
See, this is just proof.
Yeah, that is the proof.
You know what? Now we're gonna take this home to use as a hair clip.
Hairpin.
Yeah. Let me show you from my hand.
Yeah.
Actually,
You express.
girls with long hair, they will bind it and make it into a bun. And after that,
Give me the long one.
Okay.
Stop clicking here.
Perfect, we don't need no filter. Conscious love that you a killer. Shower you with all my intentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom.
Bye.
So we are almost reaching our destination now. But we came down from that tower. That small tower you can see, I'm zooming in. Yeah, we came down from the top of that place, and we are going down. We are almost reaching now to our destination.
Oh wow.
Wow, there's a horse. Gora.
Gora.
We're about to reach.
don't be far alone.
These leaves, if you touch it, it will sting like a bee.
Okay, I'll show you.
So these are the thorns. These are horse because it is very steep. There is no vehicle road connection, so horses are the one transporting stuff for the building block. Building houses. These are they're carrying the bricks up. Yes, we will be reaching now. Wow. You're reaching! Woo. Finally. We have finally reached our destination.
Jordan River of Shimla.
Shimla stream.
आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ
How long you will be inside the water?
Let's see. I'll play the timer.
How many seconds?
Yeah.
Give the timing. How many seconds can
Now.
I go underwater?
1,
Wait.
2, 3.
1,
This is Dominic.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30,
Wow.
31. Okay, 31.
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Wow.
Yeah. We're getting ready to move back now. Miss Foreigner. She came from Ukraine. She's an Ukrainian.
Local Ukraine.
She's from Ukraine, as you can see. We're heading back. Woo! It's been a good pleasure. Now we will climb up the top of the hills, on the top of the hills again. Gotta feel water. Hey! So do you feel slow? This is the water. Oh! Feel the water, bro.
Yo.
How is the water, bro? Drink.
Mesmerizing water, refreshing.
From the mountain.
Rằng cái học tích nó rằng cũng là ran rằng thì là tình thế nào đôi cái nào không.
Biba, look here. Ui, Tri ơi.
Coming up. We are coming back to the downstream. happiness.
Very, very alive. And he's half dead.
I'm gonna die.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel before I die. I have only 15 minutes left. We went downhill and we have seen the stream, and the gang is back. The main road, way back to our resort. How do you feel, guys?
I feel damn tired.
Tired? What about the last piece? Last piece of the family. And last... This is the face of a vivid tracker. Yeah. And this is a kind of a person who wrongly chose to trek. The energetic one. Somehow energetic and average 99.9%.
This way, right?
These are the holy moly. Awesome. Come on, let's go. You done? Shall we? Come on.
Yeah. Guys, finally we are back to Havoc Caves. It was quite tiring because we haven't experienced this kind of trekking for a long time, and finally we are here back at the Meadows by the Himalaya. This is the place where we are staying. Yeah, I can zoom in a little bit for you. Yeah, so that is the gate. Yeah, finally back to our crib. Yeah, that's the place where we stay.
Before I move, show me what love is, how to get it through. Show me that wonders can be true. They said nothing lasts forever. You are only here today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand and hold me. Show me what love is, be my guiding star. It's easy. Take me to your heart.
Take me, take me, take me to your heart. To your heart. 在等了我，嘿，干老迈步。人爱买哩哩，门光不让。嘿，ta bụi nụ người, quăng tang đi chỗ. Kalau mai pu tam dat ma bụi ra.
Before the bus, we can see the place.
We are moving back. Now it's
Sure. Yeah.
going to be 9.
Everyone, please.
So yeah, we'll be heading out again.
Selfie time, selfie time.
No selfie.
Photo time, photo.
Kita hold on. Everyone,
That is our resort. We are heading out now again. We'll be heading back. Safe journey, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy journey. Bye. Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry, that was too loud.